And we're getting up for sunrise at Crater Lake. We just watched the Milky Way. It's dark.
This is a great little morning hike.
Where he tries to learn Mandarin.
Oh no!
And he's like,
that.
I have created an invention to allow spiders to talk to cats.
What's that from?
In 3 days alone, he thought he was fluent in Mandarin. But Tai Chi.
Imagine you fall and break your ankle and you press the button, they're like, we'll be there in 14 days. Okay, we could have camped in that last spot then. As soon as we came over there. That might be a glacier in that chute.
It is. Got a bull moose right there. Shh.
About us were just illusions. They could not find a way into our closed hearts. So they're forced to crawl back into the dark. They've already paid the highest price for a brighter sun that could make their shadows run. Those who arrive. About us were just illusions. They could not find a way to our closed hearts.
Just finished up the first trip. Yeah.
So they're forced to crawl.
All right, everybody, we gotta wait for Alex. I need everybody in on this.
I'm picking up what you're throwing down.
Yeah.
Come on in, bud.
Yeah.
Very nice. Captain Ike. And we didn't have to put on rain jackets.